Dear students, a happy evening everyone. Today we are going to discuss some model questions from Problems on Ages from Aptitude Corner. Let us enter into the session. See the question number 1. So try to understand the question first of all. 3 years ago, the ratio of father's age and son's age was 8:3. Here, in the first sentence, we are getting a ratio that will be 3 years ago. So 3 years ago, the ratio was how much? 8:3. Eppudu 3 years back. Evarevaru? Father and son. Next. In the next sentence, after 4 years, the ratio of their ages will be 11:5. After 4 years, the ratio of their ages will be 11:5. Clear? Next, what is the present age of the father? So, what is the age of the present age of the father? See, here we are getting two ratios between the ages of father and son. So, 3 years back, the ratio between the ages of father and son was 8:3. And after 4 years, the ratio will be 11:5. Here we are going to finding the present age of the father. Ante kadamma, present age of the father. Right. బాగా అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి. కింద ఇచ్చిన ఆప్షన్స్లో ఏదో ఒకటి డెఫినెట్గా ప్రజెంట్ ఏజ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫాదర్ అయి ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, లెట్ అస్ అజ్యూమ్ ద ప్రజెంట్ ఏజ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫాదర్ ఎంత అనుకుంటున్నాను? 51 అనుకుంటున్నా. ఎంత? 51 అనుకుంటున్నా. ప్రజెంట్ ఏజ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫాదర్ ఎంత అనుకుంటున్నా? 51. ఐఎమ్ అజ్యూమింగ్ the age of the father at present is 51 years. But as per the information given in the question, we can say the father's age was 8 multiple 3 years ago and 11 multiple after 4 years. అంటే 3 years కి ముందు ఫాదర్ యొక్క ఏజ్ 8 multiple గా ఉండాలి అండ్ ఆఫ్టర్ 4 years ఫాదర్ యొక్క ఏజ్ ఏంటమ్మా 11 multiple గా ఉండాలి. అంతే కదా, సింపుల్ థింగ్. రైట్. ఇప్పుడు ప్రజెంట్ ఫాదర్ యొక్క ఏజ్ 51 అయితే 3 years బ్యాక్ ఎంత అవుతుంది అంటే 51 మైనస్ 3 ఎంత? 48. నెక్స్ట్ ఆఫ్టర్ 4 years ప్రజెంట్ 51 అయితే ఆఫ్టర్ 4 years సో 51 ప్లస్ 4 ఎంతమ్మా? 55 years. ఎంత? 55 years. కమ్ అగైన్ సి మనకు క్వశ్చన్లో 2 రేషియోస్ ఇచ్చాడు. ఫాదర్ అండ్ సన్స్ యొక్క ఏజెస్ మధ్య రేషియో 3 years బ్యాక్ అండ్ ఆఫ్టర్ 4 years. క్వశ్చన్ ఫస్ట్ అర్థం చేసుకుంటే మనకు 90% సొల్యూషన్ అయిపోయినట్లే. క్లియర్? సి 3 years బ్యాక్ ఫాదర్ యొక్క ఏజ్ ఎన్ని పార్ట్స్? ఏ మల్టిపుల్? 8 multiple. నెక్స్ట్ ఆఫ్టర్ 4 years ఫాదర్ ఏజ్ ఏ మల్టిపుల్ అమ్మా? 11 multiple. సో ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు ఫైండింగ్ ద ప్రజెంట్ ఏజ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫాదర్ ఫ్రమ్ ద ఆప్షన్స్ అండ్ ద కండిషన్స్ గివెన్ ఇన్ ద క్వశ్చన్. రైట్. ఇప్పుడు ప్రజెంట్ ఏజ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫాదర్ 51 అనుకుంటే 3 years బ్యాక్ ఎంత అవుతుంది? 48 అవుతుంది. ప్రజెంట్ ఏజ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫాదర్ 51 అయితే ఆఫ్టర్ 4 years ఎంత అవుతుంది? 55. నౌ వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు చెకింగ్ ద మల్టిపుల్స్ ఆఫ్ 8 and 11. 3 years బ్యాక్ ఫాదర్ ఏజ్ ఎంతమ్మా? 8 multiple. Of course 48 is the multiple of 8 multiple. May chances are there. Next, after 4 years father's age will be what? 55. Of course 55 also 11 multiple kabatti. So father yokka age 11 multiple. So father yokka age at present enta avutundi? 51 avutundi. Let us check the next option, 48. I am taking the 48 as the age of the father at present. Let us take, see 48 అనేది present age of the father అయితే మరి 3 years బ్యాక్ అంటే 3 సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తాం. 48 మైనస్ 3 ఎంతమ్మా? 45. సో 45 is the multiple of 8? No. So eliminate the second option. Next, come to third option. If the present age of the father is 55, if the present age of the father is 55, then the age of that father 3 years ago was, it's 52, no? 52. So 55 minus 3, it's 52. So 52 is the multiple of 8? No, right? So eliminate it. Next, check the fourth option, 52. If the present age of the father 52, Then 3 years ago, 52 minus 3, enta 49. So 49, is it the multiple of 8? No. So eliminate the fourth option also. We have one and only option, that will be 51. That is our answer. So present age of the father entamma 51 years. Okay, just I am applying the conditions given in the question to each and every option. We can get the answer easily from this topic. Continue. Next, second question. Try to read the question. 7 years ago, the ratio of the ages of A and B is 2:3. 7 years back, ratio between the ages of two persons, A and B, entamma 2:3. Continue. After 3 years, that means plus 3. After 3 years, the ratio of their ages will be 5:7. Antega 5:7. Just I am taking the information from the question. Em ichadu question lo 7 years back ఆ two persons యొక్క ages మధ్య ratio ఎంతమ్మా 2:3. Is it clear everyone? Next, continue. So after 3 years plus 3, 5:7. Question lo ఏమంటున్నాడు? Find the sum of their present ages. Find the sum of their present ages. Regular గా మనం lengthy అవుతుంది solution. ట్రెడిషనల్ మెథడ్ బుకిష్ నాలెడ్జ్ పెడితే వెళ్తే మనకు 10 to 12 లైన్స్ సొల్యూషన్ అవుతుంది. బట్ we are going to applying the conditions given in the question to each and every option. Come again. See, ఇప్పుడు చూడండి, 7 years back sum ఎన్ని parts అంటే 5 parts. 7 years back age of A is 2 parts and age of B is 3 parts. Then total age is 5 parts are 5 multiple. Is it clear everyone? Next, after 3 years 5 plus 7 sum ఎంతమ్మా 12 multiple. ఎంత 12 multiple అంతేగా. చూడండి, 7 years back 5 multiple గా ఉండాలి సమ్. ఆఫ్టర్ 3 years సమ్ ఎంతమ్మా 12 multiple గా ఉండాలి. కానీ క్వశ్చన్లో ఏమడిగాడంటే వాట్ ఈస్ ద టోటల్ ఏజ్ ఆఫ్ దట్ టూ పర్సన్స్ అట్ ప్రజెంట్, ఫైండ్ ద సమ్ ఆఫ్ దేర్ ప్రజెంట్ ఏజెస్ అన్నాడు. So let us take 114 is the sum of the ages of that two persons at present only. So ఇప్పుడు నేనేం అనుకుంటున్నాను, 114 is the total age of that two persons at present. Okay, now tell me ఇదేంటమ్మా present total ఎంత 114. I am taking that as answer. See, మరి 7 years back అంటే ఒక్కొక్కరు 7 years డిక్రీజ్ అవుతారు. మొత్తం మీద ఇద్దరి పైన ఎంత డిక్రీజ్ అవుతుంది అంటే 7 టోటల్గా 14 డిక్రీజ్ అవుతుంది. అవునా? ప్రజెంట్ టోటల్ 114 అనుకుంటున్నా ఫ్రమ్ ద ఫస్ట్ ఆప్షన్. 7 years బ్యాక్ అంటే ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ పర్సన్ డిక్రీజ్డ్ బై 7 years. దెన్ ఓవరాల్ డిక్రీజ్ బై హౌ మచ్ మా 14 years నో. సో 14 డిక్రీజ్ చేస్తే టోటల్ ఎంత అవుతుంది? 114 minus 14 ఎంత 100. దిస్ ఈజ్ ద total age when 7 years ago. And see, 7 years back total age will be 5 multiple. Of course 100 is the 5 multiple. So first condition is satisfied. Next, checking the second condition. Present age as per the first option is 114 years, right? From the first option we can say present total age of that two persons is 114. Then we can find the total age of that two persons after 3 years. After 3 years means each and every person increased by 3 years. Then overall increased by 6 years. So 114 plus 6, total how much? 120. So after 3 years the sum will be 12 multiple. Of course this total age after 3 years 120 is the multiple of 12, right? So second condition also satisfied. So answer will be 114 years. Just I am checking and I am applying the conditions given in the questions to each and every option. Clear? Without making any simplification part, right? See, next I am taking the second option as answer. Let us take. So 118 is the total age of the two persons at present. Clear? So ఇప్పుడు చూడండి 7 years back అన్నాడు అంటే each and every person decreased by 7, right? So overall decreased by how much ma? 14. So 118 minus 14, it is 104. How much? 104. So this is the total age when 7 years back. So 7 years back total age must be 5 multiple. But 104 is not the multiple of 5. So eliminate the second option. Just I am seeing the question and picking the answer. That's it. Right. Next, I am taking the third option as I am just verifying the remaining options. Clear? I am 112. Taking the 112 as answer. This, if this is the total age of the two persons at present. Then 7 years back means each and every person decreased by 7 years. Overall decreased by how much? 14 years. So 112 minus 14, it is 98. So 98, is it the multiple of 5? No, right? So eliminate the third option also. Come to the fourth option, 110. If the total age of that two persons at present is 110. So present total 110 aithe 7 years back. So total decreased by 14 years. So 110 minus 14, it is 96 years. So 96 is the total age epudu 7 years back. But 7 years back total must be 5 multiple, right? So 96 is not multiple of 9. So eliminate the fourth option. We have only one option by verifying the two conditions given in the question. Then the answer will be 114 only. Next. Thank you, Santoshi. Thank you, Kalyan. Good. 114. Perfect answer. Come to the next question, number 3. Read it, ma. The ratio of Rahul's age and his son Aman's age is 9:1. Okay. Ratio of Rahul and his son Aman. So Rahul's age and Aman's age are in the ratio 9:1. ఇక్కడ ఏమి ఇవ్వలేదంటే దాన్ని మనం ఎలా కన్సిడర్ చేయాలి? ప్రజెంట్ గానే కన్సిడర్ చేయాలి. ఎంతమ్మా? 9:1. నెక్స్ట్, and the product of their ages is 144. Okay, so product ఎంత అంటున్నాడు? 114. So product multiplication, product nothing but what ma? Multiplication. ఎంత? 144. I am taking the ages of the two persons as per this ratio. So 9:1 nothing but Rahul's age, nothing but Rahul's age will be 9 units and Aman's age will be 1 unit. So 9 units nothing but 9x, 1 unit nothing but x is equal to 144. I am taking the ages from this ratio. So 9:1 nothing but 9x and x, right? So 9x into x, it is equals to 144. So 9 ones are 9, 16s are x value how much ma? 4. X value how much? 4. Therefore 9 4s are 9x nothing but 9 4s are in the 36 and x value how much ma? 4. Here asking the sum of the ages after 4 years. After 4 years. So 36 plus 4 how much ma? 40. This is the total age of that two persons, Rahul and Aman, at present. And here asking the total age after 4 years, right? So here there are two persons. Each and every person is increased by 4 years. Then overall increased by 8 years. Therefore 40 plus 8, how much ma? 48 years is the required sum. So second option is our answer. Very simple question. Come to the next question. 4 years ago, the ratio of the ages of A and B was 4:5. 4 years ago. 4 years ago, ratio was 4:5. Every two persons, A and B. Clear? 8 years hence, that means after 8 years. After 8 years, the ratio of the ages of A and B will be 11:13. Enta? 11:13. What is the total sum of their present ages? Same model as the previous one. Clear? So what is the total ages of that two persons at present? Present total. Clear? Now cheppandi ippudu 4 years back first person yokka age 4 multiple and second person age 5 multiple. Total age will be entama 9 multiple. Entadi 9 multiple. So 4 years back the total age will be 9 multiple. Clear? Next, after 8 years, the total age will be 11 plus 13, it's 24 multiple. So try to understand carefully. Okay, 4 years back, A's age is 4 units, B's age is 5 units. Total age was how much ma? 9 multiple. 4 plus 5, 9 multiple. After 8 years, A's age will be 11 units, B's age will be 13 units. Then total age will be 24 multiple. Clear? 24 units. Now, I am assuming the each and every option as answer. I am taking the 72 as answer. For example, present total ఎంత తీసుకుంటున్నాను 72. Clear. Next, 4 years back ante each and every person decreased by 4 years, right? Then overall decreased by, that means on the 2 persons overall decreased by how much ma? 8 years, right? So 4 years back, 72 minus 8, it is 64. But 4 years ago the sum must be what ma? 9 multiple, right? So 64 is the multiple of 9? No. So eliminate the first option. Check the second option. See, if the present age of the 2 persons is 96 years, so 4 years back means each and every person is decreased by 4, right? Then overall decreased by how much ma? 8. So 96 minus 8, it is 88. So 88 is not the multiple of 9. So what is the divisibility rule of 9? Sum of all the numbers must be the 9 multiple. For example, 18, 9 2s are 18, 1 plus 8 how much? 9. Of course it is the multiple of 9. 9 4s are 36. 3 plus 6 how much ma? 9. Of course 9 is the multiple of 9. That's why 36 is exactly divisible by 9. But here 8 plus 8 16, that is not exactly divisible by 9. So ఈ 88 కూడా 9 multiple కాదు కాబట్టి ఈ total అనేది 4 years back total కాదు. కాబట్టి present total 96 years కాదు. Come to the third option. Enter the third option ma? 80. Now tell me please everyone, 4 years back, that means each and every person is decreased by 4 years. Then overall decreased by 8 years. So 80 minus 8, it is what ma? 72. So 4 years back multiple enti? 9 multiple. Of course 72 is the 9 multiple. Many chances are there. Ante 80 అయ్యే ఛాన్స్ ఉంది. Present total 80 అయ్యే ఛాన్స్ ఉంది. So come to the second option, second condition. Entadi after 8 years from the first present. After 8 years. That means each and every person is increased by 8 years from now. So overall increased by how much ma? 16. So present nunchi 16 years increase avvali. So 80 plus 16 how much ma? 96. 4 years back అన్నాడు కాబట్టి minus 8 చేశాను. After 8 years అన్నాడు కాబట్టి 8 plus 8, 2 persons ఉన్నారుగా. So 8 plus 8 16 increase చేశాను. So 80 plus 16 how much? 96. Of course 96 also 24 multiple. Therefore the option will be 80 years is the total age of that 2 persons A and B at present. So 80 years is our answer. Simple thing. Just try to apply the conditions given in the question to each and every option. You can get the answer easily. Just do mind calculation. That's it. Come to question number 5. 4 years ago, Shyam's age will be 3/4 of the age of Ram. When? 4 years ago. 4 years back. So, Shyam's age was 3/4 of the age of Ram. Therefore, R carry backward. S by R is equal to 3/4. From that fraction, we can say the ratio between the ages of the 2 persons 4 years ago was 3:4. That means 4 years ago, Shyam and Ram. Endamma? 3:4. Shyam and Ram. Shyam's age 3 parts and Ram's age 4 parts. Is it clear? Next. After 4 years, Shyam's age will be 5/6 times of the Ram's age. Same model. So 5/6 we can write it as 5:6. Is it clear everyone? Next continue. Then what is the present age of Shyam? What is the present age of Shyam? మన క్వశ్చన్ లో ఇచ్చింది ఈ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ మాత్రమే. చెప్పండి ఇప్పుడు 4 years బ్యాక్ శ్యామ్ ఏజ్ ఎంతమ్మా? 3 units or 3 multiple. నెక్స్ట్ రామ్స్ ఏజ్ ఎంతమ్మా? 4 multiple. నెక్స్ట్ after 4 years Shyam's age must be 5 multiples and Ram's age must be 6 multiple. But here asking the value as what is the present age of Shyam. ఇక్కడ మనకు శ్యామ్ యొక్క present age కావాలి. శ్యామ్ యొక్క present age కావాలి. From this 3 units and 5 units we are going to finding the answer. From this Shyam's age 4 years back 3 multiple, Shyam's age after 4 years 5 multiple. From these two conditions we are going to finding the answer. Let's come. See ma, I am taking the present age of the Shyam as 24 years. Clear? Present ఎంత అనుకుంటున్నాను 24. మరి 4 years బ్యాక్ అంటే 4 సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేయాలి కదా. సో 24 - 4 ఎంతమ్మా 20. బట్ 4 years బ్యాక్ శ్యామ్స్ ఏజ్ మస్ట్ బి 3 మల్టిపుల్, రైట్. సో 20 is the multiple of 3. No. So eliminate the first option. Come to the second option. See, present age of the Shyam is 20 years. Present age of Shyam is what, ma'am? 20 years. Clear? So 4 years back means 20 minus 4, it is 16. Of course, 16 also not the multiple of 3. Not the multiple of 3. So eliminate the second option also. Come to third option, 16. Come to third option, 16. Right. So 16 minus 4, how much, ma? 12. 16 minus 4, how much? 12. Of course, 12 is the multiple of 3. Next, present age 16 అయితే after 4 years ఎంత అవుతుంది? 16 plus 4. ఇదేం చేసాం మనము? 4 సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేసాం. ఓన్లీ 1 పర్సనే కాబట్టి. క్లియర్. నెక్స్ట్ ఆఫ్టర్ 4 years అంటే 4 యాడ్ చేస్తాం. ప్లస్ 4. 16 plus 4, how much, man? 20 years. So of course 20 is the multiple of 5. So ఈ 2 conditions satisfy. May chances are there 16 as the answer. నెక్స్ట్ 15 చెక్ చేయండి. సో 15 ప్రజెంట్ అయితే 15 ప్రజెంట్ ఏజ్ అయితే శ్యామ్ది. మరి 4 years బ్యాక్ 15 minus 4 ఎంతమ్మా? 11 కదా. 15 minus 4 ఎంత? 11. So of course 11 is not the multiple of 3, right? So eliminate the fourth option. We have only one option by satisfying 2 conditions given in the question. That will be third option. 16 years is the present age of Shyam. Next question. Come to question number 6. Thank you, Charan Chari. Good. Usha. Nice reply. Yeah, thank you. Come to question number 6th one. 6 years ago, the average age of Ravi, Mohan and Govind is 32 years. Clear? So 6 years back, the average age of Ravi, Mohan and Govind is 32 years. So here the average is nothing but, don't assume the sum of the observations by number of observations. Try to assume the average is nothing but we are going to divide the total value into equal parts, equal dividation. So here 32 total value ni 3 parts ga equal ga divide cheste vachina value 32. అంటే ఒక్కొక్కరి ఏజ్ 32 అయితే టోటల్ ఏజ్ ఎంత అవుతుందమ్మా? 32 into 3 ఏగా. That is the total age of that 3 persons when 6 years back. 32 into 3. How much it is? 96 years. How much, ma'am? 96 years. Clear? That is the total age of that 3 persons, Ravi, Mohan and Govind. Next, clear, ma'am? If now Shams joins them now at present, Shyam joins them, then the average age of all 4 becomes 36. సో ఇప్పుడు ఏంటి? రవి, మోహన్, గోవింద్ ఉన్నాడు. ఇప్పుడు ఎవరు వచ్చారమ్మా? 4th person వచ్చాడు. ఎప్పుడు? ప్రజెంట్. అంటే ఈ ప్రజెంట్ పాస్ట్ టోటల్ నుంచి ప్రజెంట్ టోటల్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. 6 years బ్యాక్ 96 అయితే ఎవరెవరిది? 3 personsది. ఎవరెవరు? రవి, మోహన్ అండ్ గోవింద్. మరి ప్రజెంట్ టోటల్ ఎంత అవుతుంది? ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ పర్సన్ ఈజ్ ఇంక్రీజ్డ్ బై 6 years. లాస్ట్ 6 months 6 years బ్యాక్ టోటల్ 96. ప్రజెంట్ అంటే ఒక్కొక్కరు 6 years ఇంక్రీజ్ అవుతారు కదా. అంటే మొత్తం మీద ఎంత ఇంక్రిమెంట్ అవుతుంది అంటే 6 3s are 18 ఇంక్రిమెంట్ అవుతుంది. సో 90 plus 10 100 plus 14 114 is the total age of that 3 persons, Ram, Mohan and Govind. Okay, so total age of that 3 persons at present is 114. ఇది total age of 3 persons. నెక్స్ట్ ఇంకొక పర్సన్ వచ్చారు. ఎవరు? శ్యామ్ జాయిన్ అయ్యాడు. 4 members అయ్యారు. ఒక్కొక్కరు ఏజ్ ఎంత అన్నాడు? 36. లెట్ us assume 36 is the average on an average. అంటే ఒక్కొక్కరు ఏజ్ 36 గా అజ్యూమ్ చేస్తే 4 members multiply with 4 means double then double. 36 2 times 72, 72 2 times how much? 144. This is the total age of that 4 persons. This is the total age of 3 persons at present. సో ఇక్కడ ఎవరిదమ్మా ఏజ్? ఎవరెవరిది? టోటల్ ఏజ్ ఎవరిది? రామ్, మోహన్ అండ్ గోవింద్. ఇక్కడ రామ్, మోహన్, గోవింద్ అండ్ శ్యామ్. సో ఎక్స్ట్రా ఎంత వచ్చింది సెకండ్ కేసులో? 4 - 4 0, 4 - 1 3. సో 30 ఎక్స్ట్రా వచ్చింది. ఎందుకు 30 ఎక్స్ట్రా వచ్చిందంటే శ్యామ్స్ ఏజ్ యాడ్ అయింది కాబట్టి. Therefore శ్యామ్స్ ఏజ్ హౌ మచ్ మా 30. Here asking also what is the present age of Shyam? How much? 30 years. Simple thing. 6 years back 32 is the average. Total age ఎంత అవుతుంది? 32 into 3 96. That is the total age 6 years back, right? So present means each and every person is increased by 6 years. Overall increased by 18. So 96 plus 18 how much? 114. That is the total age of Ram, Mohan and Govind. If Shyam's age is added, the average becomes 36. So 4 persons unnaru. 36 into 4 enta 144. That is the total age of that 4 persons. So 144 minus 14 114 చేస్తే మనకు రిమైనింగ్ యాడ్ అయిన పర్సన్ యొక్క ఏజ్ వచ్చేసింది ఎంత 30 years. So required answer is 30 years. Third option is our answer. Come to the question number 7th one. 4 years ago the ratio of ages of A and B was 8:9. How much ma? 4 years ago ratio was 8:9. Clear? After 8 years from now, the ratio of their ages will be 11:12. How much? 11:12. What is the sum of their present ages? Same model. ఏ మోడల్ పైన మనం థర్డ్ క్వశ్చన్ చేయడం. కేర్ఫుల్, రైట్. మనకి ఇప్పుడు ఏంటి? ప్రజెంట్ టోటల్ కావాలి. మళ్ళీ చెప్పండి అమ్మా. ఇప్పుడు 4 years బ్యాక్ టోటల్ ఎంత అవుతుంది? 8 plus 3 13 మల్టిపుల్, 8 plus 9 17 మల్టిపుల్ అవుతుంది. 17 మల్టిపుల్. నెక్స్ట్ ఆఫ్టర్ 8 years టోటల్ ఏజ్ 11 plus 12 టోటల్ 23 మల్టిపుల్ అవుతుంది. 4 years బ్యాక్ టోటల్ ఏజ్ ఎంత అంటే 8 plus 9 17 మల్టిపుల్. నెక్స్ట్ ఆఫ్టర్ 8 years, సో 11 plus 12 హౌ మచ్ మా 23 మల్టిపుల్. క్లియర్? ఇప్పుడు ఏమంటున్నాడు? వాట్ ఈస్ ద సమ్ ఆఫ్ దేర్ ప్రెసెంట్ ఏజెస్? సో లెట్ us టేక్ 84 యాజ్ ద ఆన్సర్. 84 ప్రజెంట్ టోటల్గా తీసుకుంటున్నా. ప్రజెంట్ టోటల్ మరి 4 years బ్యాక్ అంటే ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ పర్సన్ ఈజ్ డిక్రీస్డ్ బై 4 years, రైట్? Then overall decreased by how much ma? 8 years. Clear? So 84 minus 8 how much ma? It is 76 years. So 4 years back the sum must be 17 multiples, right? But 76 is not the multiple of 17. 17 4s are 68, 17 5s are 85. So 76 is not multiple of 17. Eliminate the first option. Next, come to the second option. If the present total age of the two persons is 68 years అనేది present total అయితే ఆ 2 persons. మరి 4 years back 17 multiple కదా. 4 years back అంటే each and every person decreased by 4 years, right? Overall decreased by how much? 8 years. 68 minus 8 how much? 60 years. So 60 is not the multiple of 17. 16 4s are 68, 17 4s are 68, 17 3s are 51. So 60 is not the multiple of 17. Eliminate the second option also. Come to third option, 59. That is the total age of the two persons at present. I am assuming like that. So from that 59 we can find the total age of the two persons 4 years back. 4 years back each and every person decreased by 4, overall decreased by 8. 59 minus 8 how much? 51. Of course 51 is the multiple of 17. May chances are there. So I am going to checking the second condition given in the question. Clear? So may chances are there. So first condition satisfied for the third option. Come to the second condition. So present total entamma 59. After 8 years ante each and every person is increased by 8 years. Overall increased by how much? 16 years. So 59 plus 16 how much ma? 59 plus 6 65 plus 10 75 70 16, right? 59 65 75. So of course 75 is not the multiple of 23. So eliminate the third option also. Come to the question option number 76. Fourth option 76. If the total age of the two persons at present is how much ma? 76. 4 years back means each and every person is decreased by 4 years. Overall decreased by how much ma? 8 years. 76 minus 8 it is 68. Of course 68 is the multiple of 17. Clear? So 68 is the multiple of 17. May chances are there. Eliminate అయిపోయింది అంటే సెకండ్ కండిషన్లో ఇది సాటిస్ఫై చేయబడలేదు కాబట్టి ఎలిమినేటింగ్ ద థర్డ్ ఆప్షన్. సో 76 చూస్తే ప్రజెంట్ టోటల్ 4 years బ్యాక్ అంటే ఓవరాల్ డిక్రీస్డ్ బై 8 years. సో 76 minus 8 how much ma? 68. Next after 8 years means each and every person increased by 8 years. Then overall increased by 16 years. So 76 plus 16, how much? 92. ఇదంతా మనము ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ పార్ట్, ఇదంతా మనం చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు, జస్ట్ మైండ్ క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ చేస్తే సరిపోతుంది. Okay, so 76 plus 16, how much? 92. So of course 92 is the multiple of 23. So two conditions are satisfied for the option 76. So 76 is the total age of the two persons at present. Just verify it, ma. I will give for 10 seconds of time. '84, 4 years back, means each and every person decreased by 8 years. So 84 minus 8, how much? 76. 76 is not the multiple of 17. Eliminate it. Next, 68. I am assuming 68 years is the total age of the two persons at present. So eliminating, subtracting 8 years. 68 minus 8, 60. 60 is not the multiple of 17. Eliminating the second option also. Come to third option, 59. 59 minus 8, how much? 51. 51, of course, 17 multiple. Next, after 8 years, each and every person increased by 8 years. Overall increased by how much? 16. So 59 plus 16, how much? 75. 75 is not the multiple of 23. So that's why I am eliminating third option also. Come to fourth option, 76. 76 minus 8, 2 times, 68. 76 plus 16, 92. So 68 is multiple of 17, 92 is the multiple of 23. So our answer is what? 76 years. Come to question number 8. The average age of Akhil and Sunita is 51 years. Akhil and Sunita is 51 years. This is the average. Then the overall age means 51 into 2, it is equals to 102. 51 is average. అంటే ఒక్కొక్కరి ఏజ్ 51 అయితే టోటల్ ఏజ్ ఎంత అవుతుంది? 102. ఒక్కొక్కరు అనుకోకూడదు, బట్ క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ పార్ట్ ఈజీ అవ్వాలంటే అలా అజంప్షన్ చేసుకోవాలి. క్లియర్? సో 102. నెక్స్ట్, that of Sunita and Veena is 31. Sunita and Veena average enta 31. Total enta avutundi? 31 into 2, it is 62. Next, and that of Veena and Akhil is 33 years. Veena and Akhil is 33. So 33 into 2, it is equals to 66 years. 66 years. ఇప్పుడు మనకు కావాల్సింది ఏంటి? The age of Veena. Age of Veena. So try to simplify first last two equations. A minus S, that means B plus A minus of S plus V. So plus V minus V cancel. A minus S is equal to 66 minus 62, it is equals to 4. Clear? So B plus A minus of S minus of V, plus V minus V cancel. A minus S is equal to 66 minus 62, how much ma? 4 years. Continue. Next, from the first sentence, A plus S is equal to 102, plus S minus S cancel. 2A is equal to 4 plus 102, total 106. Therefore, A's age is equal to 53 years, or half of the 102, 51, half of the 4, 2. 51 plus 2, how much? 53 years. So A's age, that means Akhil's age is 53 years. Substitute in any option, in any equation, or మనకు వీణా ఏజ్ కావాలి కాబట్టి థర్డ్ సెంటెన్స్లో అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తే, సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే, వీణా ప్లస్ 53 is equal to 66 years. Therefore, Veena's age will be 13 years. So first option is our answer. Next, come to question number 9th one. The ratio of the present ages of A and B is 8 is to 15. 8 is to 15. ఎప్పుడు అది? ప్రజెంట్ ఏజెస్. And 8 years ago, the ratio of their ages was 6 is to 13. Present ఎంతమ్మా? Present ఎంత? 8 is to 15, and 8 years ago 6 is to 13. A and B. So present age is 8 is 15. 8 years back, how much? 6 is to 13. 8 is 15 and 6 is to 13. Continue. What will be the ratio of the ages of A and B after 8 years from now? ఆఫ్టర్ 8 years ఫ్రమ్ నౌ, ఇప్పటి నుంచి 8 years తర్వాత వారిద్దరి యొక్క ఏజెస్ మధ్య రేషియో ఎంత అంటున్నాడు. చెప్పండి ఇప్పుడు ప్రజెంట్ ఏజ్ ఆఫ్ ఏ ఎన్ని పార్ట్స్ అమ్మా? 8 parts. ఆఫ్టర్ 8 years ago ఎన్ని పార్ట్స్? 6 parts. అంటే ఎన్ని పార్ట్స్ డిక్రీజ్ అయింది? 2 parts డిక్రీజ్ అయింది. నెక్స్ట్ ఎందుకు డిక్రీజ్ అయిందంటే ప్రజెంట్ నుంచి 8 years బ్యాక్ వెళ్ళాడు, అంటే ఎన్ని ఇయర్స్ డిక్రీజ్ అయ్యాడు? 8 years డిక్రీజ్ అయ్యాడు, కాబట్టి 2 parts డిక్రీజ్ అయింది. సో హియర్ ఇన్ ద కేస్ ఆఫ్ ఫస్ట్ పర్సన్ 2 parts వాల్యూ హౌ మచ్? 8 years. క్లియర్? 2 parts value how much? 8 years. Next, present age of B is 15 units. 8 years back 13 units. ఎన్ని parts decrease అయింది? 2 parts. సో ఎందుకు 2 parts decrease అయిందంటే 8 years decrease జరిగింది కాబట్టి. Here also in the case of second person also 2 parts value how much ma? 8 years. So if the 2 parts value 8 years, then 1 part value how much? Say something. 1 part value how much? 4 years. 1 part value 4 years. So 1 part value 4 years అయితే 8 parts value 8 4s are 32. Next 15 4s are 60. 2 parts value 8 years, 1 part value 4 years. Present ages find out చేస్తున్నా. If the 1 part value 4 years, then 8 parts value 32, 15 parts value how much? 60. These are the ages of that 2 persons at present. Clear? So by knowing the present ages, we can find the past age or future ages. Clear? So here asking the ratio of the ages of A and B after 8 years from now. So after 8 years ante 32 plus 8 how much? 40. 60 plus 8 how much? 68. So 4 10 times, 4 17 times. So 10:17 will be the ratio of their ages after 8 years. So required answer is 10:17. Fourth option is our answer. Next question, number 10. 5 years ago, the ratio of the ages of A to that of B was 4:5. 5 years ago, ratio was 4:5. Clear? 5 years hence, the ratio of the ages of A to that of B will be 6:7. 6:7. At present, the age of C, clear చేద్దాం చూడండి, A and B. ఇప్పుడు చెప్పండి అమ్మా, ఏ యొక్క ఏజ్ 5 years బ్యాక్ ఎంత? 4 units. ఆఫ్టర్ 5 years ఎంత? 6 units. ఎన్ని పార్ట్స్ ఇంక్రిమెంట్ అయింది? 2 parts. వై? సో 5 years బ్యాక్ నుంచి కింది నుంచి ఆఫ్టర్ 5 years 5 years బ్యాక్ పైకి వెళ్ళాడు, అంటే ఇక్కడ 5 years ఇక్కడ 5 years, టోటల్ ఎన్ని ఇయర్స్ డిఫరెన్స్? 10 years. 5 minus of -5, 5 plus 5 ఎంత? 10 years. సో ఫస్ట్ పర్సన్ కేసులో 2 parts వాల్యూ ఎంత వచ్చింది? 10 years వచ్చింది, అంతేగా? నెక్స్ట్ 5 years back, age of B was 5 parts. After 5 years, age of B will be 7 parts. ఎన్ని parts increment అయింది? Again 2 parts. So 2 parts value మళ్ళీ 10 years అయింది. 2 parts value మళ్ళీ 10 years. అంటే in the case of first person, in the case of second person, the 2 parts value how much ma? 10 years. Then 1 part value how much? 5 years. 1 part value how much? 5 years. Now tell me, if the 1 part value is 5 years, then 4 parts value 5 years ago age find out చేస్తున్నాం. 5 years age ago. So 5 years ago 4 parts value, 1 part value 5 అయితే 4 parts value how much ma? 20. 1 part value 5 అయితే 5 parts value ఎంత అవుతుంది? 25. ఇది ఎప్పుడు? 5 years ago. మరి ప్రజెంట్ ఏజ్ ఎంత అవుతుంది అంటే 20 plus 5 how much? 25, and 25 plus 5 ఎంత? 30. So from this past ages we can find present or future ages. So present ages of A and B enta 25 and 30. Is it clear so far? Clear. Next continue. If at present age of C, if the present age of C is 10 years younger than B. So C యొక్క ఏజ్ ఎలా ఉంది? B యొక్క ఏజ్ కంటే 10 years తక్కువ. సో B యొక్క ఏజ్ ఎంతమ్మా ఇక్కడ? 30. అంటే అప్పుడు C యొక్క ఏజ్ ఎంత అవుతుంది? 30 minus 10 ఎంత అవుతుంది? 20. This is the age of C. A's age, B's age and C's age. So A present age 25, B's present age is 30, C's present age is what ma? 20 years. Clear? Continue. Then what will be the ratio of the present ages of A to the top C? A to the top C. So 25 ratio 20. So 5 5s are 5 4s are. So 5:4 is the ratio between the present ages of A and C. So required ratio is 5:4. Fourth option is our answer. మీకు మరిన్ని వీడియోస్ కావాలి అంటే please try to download an app from Google Play Store. The name of that app is VS Online Classes. You can get more information from that app. Okay, thank you.